where numbers come alive in a magical bakery. Stay tuned to meet Max, a young chef with big dreams. Today, Max is baking magical cookies and needs your help. First, Max needs 2 rows of 3 chocolate chips each. Can you help him count all the chocolate chips? What is 2 multiplied by 3? Drag and drop the chips to see the total. Next, Max is mixing 3 cups of flour twice. How many cups does he use? Swipe to discover the answer. For sweet frosting, Max uses 4 spoonfuls twice. Multiply to find the amount. Almost done! Max wants 5 batches with 2 sprinkles each. How many sprinkles in total? Can you imagine the colorful sprinkles flying in? Finally, Max shared 12 cookies among 3 friends. How many cookies per friend? Swipe to see their happy faces with the cookies.